This is video 3 and we're kind of just going along. We've already done our front cover. We glued in our newspaper articles and got those all finished. Next, we're going to do the local Native American tribes. So you'll need this piece and you'll also need this piece as well. Now, I would suggest doing this before you cut each of these. You can cut first if you'd like. You may at least want to fold this back. This piece we're gonna fold back right here on this line. And this may be the best way to do it, is just to fold this piece back. And then you'll want to take your scissors and you'll want to cut right across this line until you get to the fold. Right across the line until you get to the fold, right across the line for each one of these. And that'll bend these back and make these able to lift up so that you're able to read the information about our Native American tribes that you have written on this sheet underneath. This sheet will be very easy to attach. All you're going to do, you've got it cut out. We're not going to cut across these lines. These lines stay just like this. And then you're just going to glue all around, small little baby glue dots. You don't want to use too much glue, it'll gush and be a mess. And then we're gonna kind of scoot this over because this piece that goes on top is a little bit bigger. I'm gonna try and make sure that's nice and straight. I lined it up with this line right here because I want it to look very nice and very neat and straight. And I rub that down, and then once you've got that down, you're gonna take this. Now yours will be cut, and then you'll fold this, and that's gonna be your glue line. And you wanna put glue just every inch or so. So maybe about 5 or 6 dots on there. Then I'm gonna line this up so that it covers and it matches up with the underneath part, just like this. And then once I've got that, I'm gonna hold it very tightly, and then I'm gonna push this over and glue this part down. It might bunch a little bit. Mine tried to bunch up. You'll just have to push that down. And then once you've got that, whoops, that one might need a little bit more glue. I wondered if that glue dot was a little too small. If it does, that's okay. You can always just lift that corner up and put a little more glue there. And then once you've got these cut, each tab will lift up and you'll be able to read what you have underneath. And it'll be perfect and done.